What's up, guys? This is Boots from cyborgteam.com. Today I got another keyboard in the studio. It's the Redragon K552. Now, this is a mechanical keyboard. It's running pretty cheap on Amazon right now, and I noticed about 1 million people bought this thing. So I got it in the studio here. I wanted to check it out. And by the end of this video, hopefully I answered 2 questions. Is this keyboard worth $32? Should you buy it? There's other keyboards on the market around this price range, maybe a couple dollars more, maybe a couple dollars less. But should you buy this one? Stay locked in. All right, first of all, when you get the keyboard, you get the box. It's a nice box. But inside the box, obviously you get the keyboard, you get a keycap puller, and the instruction manual. Now, this keyboard is a 10 keyless design. So 87 keys, they just chopped off the number pad on the side. This is a wired connection, so there's no detachable cable. You just plug this right into your USB port on your computer. This has rainbow backlighting, so it's not RGB, but each key has its own designated color. Now there are different lighting patterns that you can change. This is a full anti-ghosting keyboard, so you can press down all the buttons at once if you want to, and it won't halt your computer. Now, the description of the keyboard says it's metal design, but it feels like plastic to me. Maybe there's a metal plate inside that gives it rigidity, but on the exterior, it's all plastic. Speaking of the lighting effects, let's check them out right now. I would say the build quality is fairly decent. I can't flex the keyboard at all. You got some kick-up feet in the back. It's pretty nice. But overall, it's just a black box with some kick-up feet and some keys on top. Now the keys inside, the switches inside are Otemu Reds. That's the brand that I got. And they feel pretty sturdy. They feel pretty stable. It's a pleasure to type on. I don't have any complaints about the typing experience at all. Even while gaming, I didn't have any kind of delays or anything that would hinder me in my gameplay. I'm not sure what else you're looking for in a keyboard, but if you never had a mechanical keyboard and you want to get into the game, you just want to see how one feels, maybe you'll like it, hop on Amazon. $32, that's what this ships for. 10 keyless design, so save some space on your desk. It won't break the bank. And you can see for yourself how pretty decent this is. It's not bad at all. So for your first mechanical keyboard or just a replacement keyboard, I could easily recommend this thing. This is the Redragon K552. Thanks for checking us out. All right, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one.